Today we're making a quick and easy summer dish that's a lamb beef burger salad sort of thing. And this dish clocks in at 657 calories, 44 grams of proteins, 12 grams of carbs and 51 grams of fat. And we're gonna start off by adding 500 grams of ground lamb, which is 20% fat, 1 egg, 2 cloves of garlic and some salt and pepper. Then we're also gonna add some rosemary to this. I didn't have any rosemary, so I used thyme instead, but rosemary is better if you have it. Then simply just mix that together, and that's gonna be our burger batter. For our salad, we're gonna use 1.5 cucumbers. My wife always insists that we remove the seeds for this. I really don't understand why, but I've lost that battle, so that's what I'm doing here. Then we're simply gonna slice those up. Then we're gonna chop up 250 grams of tomatoes and 1.5 red onions. And for the red onion, we're gonna place that in water, since that's gonna mellow out the taste a bit and remove some of that harsh flavor that raw onion can have. So we're just simply gonna place that in some water for roughly 10 minutes. And then all we need to do is form our burgers and put them on the barbecue. If you don't have a barbecue available, you can always fry them. And then just divide our vegetables to 3 portions. Add 75 grams of feta cheese for every portion. And that's it. We add some salt, we add some pepper, and we wait for our lamb burgers to be done. As I said, really simple, really easy. Very low on carbs, but still, it's a nice summer salad. That's it. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy.